Kiri kiutamnati kijache yo kutamnati yo kijache kutamnati Samba nenkathankatha samba nonkulunkulu samba nensimbi ezinye siphethe Jesus
2,000 years later.
He wants even the apparel parao. No karina ka saparo sa 5,000 C1 re ka mfa tšhelete ene win so ke thutsane dintsilelo le ba tholo ba re ko rena re ja tšhelete tsekeleke ya bereka ka tšatši or ka kgwedi mo rena re dira ka tšatši re berekela ka tšatši ye maybe we berekela ka kgwedi na re berekela ka tšatši mo we ke gopela nna batho ba se ka mpolela ngwana ba re o ja tšhelete ya tsekeleke a tšhelete ya tsekeleke o ja tšhelete ya batswadi ba hae.
That's fine. Let me take care of this one. It's fine. Guys, no, I was just saying hi to you guys. People can say whatever they want to say. Now, I think at least I've covered up whatever was bothering me today, and at least I know wherever he is watching. Now we only want the best for him. We want the best. Now we only want the best for him. We want the best for him, honestly. And then.
Hello, Mzanyi. Blackhead has decided to stay away and keep her distance away from Tsekeleke. That is why you see in my previous videos, Tsekeleke was begging the public to see Blackhead girl. He says he misses her. While the protection order is still in place, Blackhead has decided to work with Itu and create content. So Itu has been dressed in a pink jacket and a mini skirt, and Itu's family is not happy with that. They're also upset at the comments on social media that Itu is chowing Tsekeleke's money. This comes after Itu buying a car for himself, and the Tulo family believe that Blackhead is using Tsekeleke's income to support Itu. So this is Itu's father. It looks like he used to support Blackhead's polyamorous relationship of dating two guys. Sometimes Itu's family keeps on saying that when they are well off, Itu does not lack anything. So now, you know, when you talk too much on social media, you end up implicating yourself. Blackhead said to the public, Itu ke mashonisa, Itu unale NSFAS and so forth. And then now family of Itu they are well off. Itu does not lack anything, you know, from the car to the clothes, accommodation and so forth. So in my mind, I'm asking myself, so la bona gore Itu qualify for NSFAS. So le bana ba corrupt. Itu le ena udoji. So he must be investigated. The same applies to the time Tsekeleke's social grant was cancelled ka January. In conclusion, Mzansi, Tsekeleke posted a video showing us where he went to a shop, uchoreka masenke for his parents because roofing ya batswadi ba gagwe masenke ala lengwana ke a gane and then ana le meshoba, and then he's been dragging this situation since January. Gona ba le re mo June a gopela public gore ba reke masenke, batho ba donate, but yena ka mo o ya digiging o gola sasa o kra tšhelete TikTok o nyaka gore batho ba mo donate. So now that protection order ile gona ba mo tšore Tsekeleke ga o gana le Blackhead, if ba ka go bona wena le Blackhead wa tronkong for 3 months. So go gona bela nga decide gore no e re ke reke masenke ga pa se rena bana na the way ke bonang ka gona ka ba re jisha stock sweets. It's like ya bela gona re direlo tša nnete, then public e tla gona bona gore no Blackhead mo bophelong ba Tsekeleke for the right things. Nke bentša rekile masenke nako ka moka ba ska gapeletša gore bona ba dire di party tša bo 6,000 and then batho ba donate. It doesn't make any sense. It's just the timing for me. The timing.
Ba laisha shia ba laisha. O rekile masenke mfana? Ya ke rekile masenke. Khale ba re wena e kai shia masenke. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
And our rate of phone call.
Yeah.
It's 0.4.
Yeah.
Equality.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
All right.
No holarina. No holarina.
Yeah.
Like apa tell you America. Shoot take a lick.
Yeah.
Shoot take a lick or
Yeah.
Chairman.
Yeah.
Rina